Ne pa chak mi ke no yiko ko ba.
So guys, this over here is the sauce we are from cooking. We call it a kale. I don't know how they call it in English. It's pasted with peanuts together with sour milk. Another young got it very good. Jome jokinya guruda. Te young man maka keshine ko to mako dinge nyalo tuo mini. Awachi kwa. Eh. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again. My name is Jabwell if you are new. And today this is my elder sister, and then this is my mulamu. Now today we are going to pick, we call it akeo. I don't know how they call it in English. Here we call it akeo. We normally mix it. It's a certain type of greens. I'm going to show you how it looks like. We are going to cook it. I'm going to show you step by step how they cook it. It's a traditional greens here, and it is also medicinal. The way they cook it is very different. I'm sure you are going to like this video. Let's go. Okay.
Mama nyata food ila food fufa.
Food ogiche.
Wala milati. Tinga waba, nunu bamia.
Ikiri food. Banji? Wabin, wakuta show ka bin.
Kolene na masha.
Nyamu wonde. Men uchienga.
Kola ware no wala wa muzungu na la penya tu ni bongo ni. Wai ranga ekele gumara. Kuma tu ada. Ipo muzungu rango ra jinga. Ai kwa miela me.
Kala. Ngama yuer kono.
Yuer bua ko de ke chola.
Ando rechere merum go e.
Rechitie with
Saume wadore po begi kofine.
Nyoro wa wok koro mako rechungo e imaka lile ma kado ketiri na pari pindi ni mwamonyele.
ya ye manyoro vi mani chicho. Mani chigesira get. Rejma na mo kimo gesira get.
Kadimu waf.
No, I need contact the agola. I'm kadho koro meri tonga.
Agola ka wo fungo ka. Legingi ka.
Oja. Ya bero te go mwafu kiro ja ne.
Mwafu akan mana
nyara. Oja do joro be bikiti woni. Iro reche lile go ki wa me de kerka. Kipe doke ro da ho doke pe.
Kolo ja ma lila mi shan
to.
Gino kiru geba go be beda kende.
Kiri na gongara ka nga woni sende shino na kiri sende.
Ito kas.
Oge do ter ko mwap sa ma. Luma tu video mare ko. Ta wenyo. Video pa na ke no nor mu shie.
Ata yana gilango wa.
Na ke no nor mu shie. Ma ko to no gwal mu ro gwal go ni na.
Kan dena ke tumo. Mama. Auntie. Obar bakoro. Mana masa apa gadino? Bakura.
Aqua, ka ruere kethi sano kinen ki ruere wai. Ma.
Napa mi kwake dani?
Ikonde namba mara jen na kazi. Namba mara jen dia ni dia. Kabe nani kale tu.
Aku kalau nang.
Mal mo.
Amal tu jangan papa.
Na waji papa. Kalau no mal ke ba ini ni mai bu.
Okay. All right, guys. So this is what we got. We have got this. We have got this. So we are going to cook. So this is what we call a kale. I don't know. It has flowers. Do you know this? This. Okay. Let me show you from. Kuna kaya mutera. You gonna?
Kaya mutera.
Mumbo. Aha.
This one here.
So guys, this is it. That is it. But here they are still young. I'm going to show you the one which is mature a little.
Oba tadi pino teng fofa. Why? Ameni kitingo be la pitinga.
Pitinga, okuru be dire.
Ni sene ko ngata sa mo kuode.
Ukuodi sama.
Ukuodi sama.
Ini ukuodi majang mara mabedo ngene.
Bara.
Ukuodi sama.
Tone ki ko bango. Okelo wasto.
Yawo sama kudari.
Okelo nyaga nyoro sa teba ka de.
Kudari machamo. Ukuodi wani game.
Nyaga serious.
Aji bede.
Ni tere ko e to mio ko ko.
Nula nyoro.
Akina ko ka.
Juwa ko juzuli.
Ale bon.
Old work ma join ta luok lo ta.
Ade kwai mu kisa.
Ole mi ta ko ka tengo fatin ni tengo.
Kiri kong mo nyoro luok ka ma ta kere. Kisa.
Eke mate.
Adi ka ti atu watu tire.
Kiri ni nyata mate na ke donje kong mit mate ngino marang.
Mukiza to ko biek ma.
Go ke wari wian. Borma.
Tikiri pedi.
Dibera ka tua, da bu yo.
Habis. Kamu kino. Na koro, buan maduong meron. Ome dano bulu koro. Sama dano di dua. Dano ke mato macam simba. Mato simba ngwen ko kende. Word for God.
What about
Word pongor de bugwera ka.
Ngami kongu.
Tuan nyoro bedo ka mapek ma.
No.
Angi kita.
Ota. Manyara wachera kani luongo ni kitabu.
Ala kiduke la pala manende.
Wacha nyingine kini kitabu chende. Kitabu yo.
Openye jaja na nyalo madongile.
Ngela. Acho matogari okene. Go nyalo mi tam gale o se pigi pima. Digini. Kejin mare neki ngani kono. Jide ka bangala Mungu kale kara keri.
Tukole ngogo mane.
Kile bako ke. Jala mo ngoyo.
Kiduke la pala.
Pangar ki.
Domeno ma chala rech no mena ka ya mena. Meno ka ke meno be ma. Ni juba ke te ni ni.
Daro bedo ko bedo.
Kaka do perini atwana kichumbi. Pinere mi luoko gine o meno. Ikido ki konji pi.
Mama.
Nyumeno kado mi boti.
Biar de kama.
To go buyo masi. We foto fotiri no.
Mama ngato be.
Nyara mera ni nyara rapa kame. Nyara go mi kiluoko no. Ami ikwanye gine max. Nyara mera ni nyara rani si.
So guys, over here they are making fire. They cook it in this pot, and inside the pot they put water because they have to cook it with hot water. After washing the greens, it was put on the cooking pot and it's now boiling. Now in the village they don't wash outside parts of saucepan or cooking pots because firewood brings out smoke that makes them black like that. Fermented milk, is it fermented? Yeah, something like that. It's fermented milk. So in total they have put inside peanut paste and then milk, fermented milk. So guys, this is sour milk. This is sour milk. We have already added here some sour milk, but it's not enough, so we are adding in more. Kiri konji kiri jenya konya kamate. Very. Nyari kada dua kami. The long-awaited time is here. Oh guys, welcome for lunch. Today's lunch. Toka Ruby. Go wash.
Akena go ber mak matugo. Akena go ber. Jaja.
Kole mi no pongo.
Apa mi bude no ber ma. Na paka chak mi kete no yiko go ber. Ber ma abel na.
So guys, this over here is the sauce we are from cooking. We call it a keo. I don't know how they call it in English. It's pasted with nuts together with sour milk. Then this one here is we call it bo. In English is, I think, is peace leaves. The one which we get the peace seed. So, but this one is only pasted. Anera wi kago mako. Ngamanya nena. Makan.
Makin. Mako.
So guys, I already know how to taste. I know, but for you, let me eat. It has that piercing. The taste is. It's real, you know. A kale itself is a bit sour. I don't know the right word to use. Is it sour or it's medicine anyway? So now the sour milk is also sour.